right. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Logan and I are going to be teaching you how to make banana bread today, right?
Right.
Okay. So let's make sure we have all the ingredients that we need. Logan, do we have 3 bananas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
1 or 2.
Right here. There's 3 bananas, old ones. Do we have butter?
Yeah, right here.
Can you show the camera? Where's the butter? Perfect. All right. Do we have baking soda?
Yep. Right here.
Perfect. Okay. We also need salt. Do we have salt?
Yep.
Right here. Salt.
Yeah.
Okay. We do need sugar.
Yeah.
Yep. We got the sugar over there. It's big, so I'm not gonna make him pick it up. We also use honey to kind of supplement some of our sugar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we have an egg?
Yep.
Right there. Perfect. Okay. Do we have vanilla?
Vanilla.
This one? Vanilla? And then we need flour. Do we have flour?
Yep.
Yep. Perfect. There it is. There's the flour. Awesome. All right. So we've got our oven preheating too high.
Mom, what about this? Mom, what about
350.
this? Mom, what about this?
That's the sugar. We already talked about the sugar. Okay.
And what about this part?
That's more flour. We got a lot of flour. We stocked up. Okay. So, in our mixing bowl, the first thing we need to do is mash up our bananas. Are you excited? This is the best part.
Yeah.
Okay. Mash up our bananas.
Do you have some bananas?
Here, can you help? Can you peel the banana and put it in the bowl? Here, I'm gonna help you get the rest of that, or you got it?
That's the end of my banana.
All right, I need you. Can you take all these to the trash, please?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
See, you take your bananas to a glass too. Pretzel.
Need pretzel for me?
All right, ready to mush the bananas? Mush them up.
See, we are mushing the bananas.
Oh, she wrapped it.
Now it's your
My
turn.
turn? Okay, cool.
And after your turn, it's their turn. It's the camera's turn.
It's the camera's turn after that. All right, perfect.
Pretend that was the camera's turn.
Yeah, I'm taking the
Yeah.
camera's turn right now.
No, the camera is taking your turn.
Okay. While we're mushing up our bananas, I'm pretty sure we need to melt our butter. I think that's what comes next. Mix it.
Guys, mix yours too. Yep, you're mixing theirs too.
What are we mixing together right now?
Banana and
Butter.
butter.
I didn't touch my face. I didn't do it. All right, stir.
Why do you tell me you touch your face?
Well, we got to try really hard right now not to touch our faces because of what's going on. Remember the disease we talked about? Because that's one way that we spread germs, right? Because there's germs on your hands sometimes. So if you touch your face, there's also germs on your face. You're spreading stuff. All right, my turn?
Yep.
Okay.
She's doing it too, guys.
Okay. Next, we're going to add baking soda and salt.
Where's your sister? Hey, where's the camera's
I
sister?
don't know. We need a teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh, dear. Her sister is out there at the watching their TV too. Oh, it looks like it's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse too. Whoa.
Okay, you ready to put this in?
Yep.
Carefully, carefully. There you go. There you go. Good
Like
work.
that, guys. Oh, you already did it. Good job, guys.
You're the cutest. Okay, and salt is probably a pinch, I'm guessing. Yep, pinch of salt. Okay, can you do the pinch of salt? Do you remember how? Perfect. And then mommy gets to do a pinch too.
It. Pinch.
Pinch, pinch. Okay, can you stir that up?
Yep.
Stir the baking soda and the salt in there.
It's your turn, Mom.
My turn? All right. Perfect. Thanks for the help. I'll do it. Okay, next.
Yep, you got it all.
Sugar, egg, and vanilla. Sugar first. This one's the flour. We'll get it out of the way. It's more flour. Sugar. I think we're going to open up the big part.
Okay.
Okay, let me see how much we need, because we do ours a little bit differently.
And
It says 3/4 of a cup of sugar. We're going to do 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of honey.
And they do theirs differently because they set it, then open theirs up.
Yeah. Okay, 1/4 cup of sugar. Stop. Thank you. Okay. 1/4 cup of sugar, and then we're going to do 1/4 cup of honey. I'll measure it, and then you can pour it in. Ready? Awesome. Careful.
Whoa!
All right.
It looks like a big alligator.
Okay, you want to help me with the honey?
Yeah.
Okay. We use honey to replace like at least half of the sugar because it's a more natural sweetener. If you replace all of it, it makes it too moist. Pro tip.
Yep, guys, yeah.
Oops. All right, ready to pour it?
Yep.
Okay.
You're
All
pouring
right,
theirs
super important
too.
job. You got to hold that over so that all the honey can come out. Okay, hold it just like about like that. All right. Good. I'm gonna put a couple.
It's your turn, Mom.
We also need our egg now. You ready for the egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, we almost lost our fork. Careful. Ah!
What do you?
And do it with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Perfect. One more. Ready?
Her son was helping
No shells, I promise.
him too.
Okay.
Is your name Logan?
And then a
Whoa,
teaspoon of.
his mouth
Woo! Careful.
has bubbles
You
in
good?
it. His mouth has bubbles in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, a teaspoon of vanilla.
That guy's mouth has bubbles in it.
Really? Careful, careful, careful.
Is that
Okay.
some more honey?
A little teeny bit. This is vanilla. All right. Nice. All right. Stir that egg, that vanilla, that sugar, that honey all up.
But we made the sidewalks with all of that.
Because the egg yolk is still in there. Let me show you what he means. The cyclops.
Hey, honey, I turned on the oven. Is that okay?
Yes. No, but I fixed it. Look at. He says the yolk is a cyclops. My turn. Nice. You broke the eye.
I broke the eye. No, I did not. I was just making. No, I was making him the sidewalks going to freeze. I just wanted the sidewalks to go to freeze.
Okay.
Wait,
How much
sorry.
flour do we need?
You do. Oh, bye, guys.
Flour. 1.5 cups of flour.
Where is he?
Okay. Ooh, honey, get your face off the microwave. Okay. I know I have these like fancy containers and stuff, but this didn't fit in there, so you know,
Are you talking to me or them?
both. Okay, there's one, and a half. Can you start stirring that while I pour the
Yeah.
other half?
Look how it's turning into glums. Now it looks like
Okay, that's everything.
warm, bumpy sand with a hill
Stir,
going
dude.
up. It looks like a desert with
Stir it, stir
a
it.
hill going around and around. Mom, it looks like a desert now. And I'm breaking the desert. Mom, this is what kills the desert.
Yeah.
A big giant foot that belonged to a sidewalks. And it turned it into a
Ooh,
earth with
that's
lots
awesome.
of lakes.
All right, is it my turn?
Yep.
Perfect.
Then it fast foot down so fast, break it
Sorry, that
so
was probably
hard. Then it turns into a earth. Then it turns hotter and hotter and moldy and all bumpy, and that made it a planet Jupiter.
All right, I
And
think
the Earth.
we're good. You could add nuts. We don't like
Alright.
nuts. Really exciting. There. Okay, we've got to take our olive oil spray and spray our pans. Do you want to do that?
I am gonna put my hand. This
No.
one?
No.
Why?
We're gonna spray this. Ready? Can you help me?
Okay.
Okay. There's that one. Yep.
Oh,
we'll do
that
this one.
looks like toy.
Okay, got it.
It looks all sparkly.
Yes, that's basically butter on there.
That one's
Okay.
mine. This
Don't
one's
touch,
mine.
Don't touch. All right, we need to get a spoon. All right, we like to do ours like mini muffins because
Like
then we can
mini
eat like 2 or
muffins?
3. And they're super yummy. All you have to do is kind of adjust the time by about-ish 10
Is it
minutes.
my turn?
Yes, here. It's messy, so be careful. Careful. Jeez. I'm not a fan of mess. Gotta be a little bit. Okay, let's do it together, huh?
Look what you did with that.
I did not do that, dude. You totally did that.
You did.
That was not me. That was definitely you.
No, it was not.
Yes, it was.
Come on, you curl. Don't mine in here.
You gonna help me? Or am I on my own here?
My turn?
I thought we were doing it together. It
It was. I thought it was
Nice.
my turn to pull it in, and you go get on my arm. And they're doing theirs like ours. Except they're one of these are sparkly, and they played theirs, and then they got it all green and wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is
Ours got in
wonderful.
wet too.
Okay, now we gotta do these ones over here because we put them in at the same time.
Oopsie.
Your hands are clean, so just come over to the sink and rinse them off. No big deal. Okay.
Theirs are doing theirs and yours.
Yeah.
I need to go potty.
Okay.
Oh,
Go
he has to go potty too. A one with a bubble.
ahead.
is
Okay.
in his
Go ahead. We'll see you in a minute. See you in a minute too, apparently. Dude, you gotta see these. They're so nice. Okay, here's the one that Logan helped me with. What a mess. It's okay. All right, so then we put these in the oven. And apparently Logan has decided that he's over it. So there he is, watching TV.